Yes, let's look at this question number 6 for JAMB Physics 2018. What is the resultant resistance of the circuit given above? This is the circuit, and we are told to calculate the resultant resistance of these 3 ohm, 4 ohm, 2 ohm and 2 ohm in this fig 4. Now the options are A 8 ohms, B 11 ohm, C 4 ohm, D 3.6 ohm. So what is the resultant resistance? Now, for us to be able to do this calculation very well, we need to know the formulas for resultant resistance. If the resistance are in series, the total resultant resistance or the total resistance is R1 plus R2 plus R3. Then you continue adding. This is for a series arrangement. Now, if they are in parallel, it's going to be 1 over R total is going to be 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. So this is for parallel arrangements. So these are the 2 formulas for calculating. So like these 2 ohm and 2 ohm, they are in parallel, but the 3 ohm, the combination of these 2 and these are in series. So we're going to find out a way of doing this. So we can do these 2 ohms that are in parallel first. We can add them up together, these 2 ohms and 2 ohms. We can add them up together so that we will now have a direct something. So let's do it. Let's do it because this very figure shows 2 ohms resistor, these 2 ohms resistor which are in parallel, but they are now combining in series with these 3 ohm and 4 ohm. So therefore the total resistance will be given as shown. So we can now have our R total to be equal to, this one is in series with the both of this and this. So you can just say that you have here 3 ohm, this very 3 ohm, but these 2 are in parallel. So you can add the 2 of them together by saying that they are 1 over RT, they are in parallel, and they can be added by saying 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. So you have this ohm, then plus this one is also in series with the total arrangement. So we have what? 4 ohm. So that's what we're going to have. Then 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 is like having 1, because this is half and half is 1. So here we can have 3 ohm plus this thing that is equal to this is just saying half, and inverse of is just saying half plus half, which is 1. Inverse of 1 is still 1. So you have 1 ohm plus this 4 ohm here. So you can simply have how many? 3 plus 1, which is 4, plus another 4, 8. So the answer is simply 8 ohms. Very, very simple. You can also do it one by one by just finding this and this. This and these are in parallel. So you can have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, which is 1. Inverse of 1 is still 1. So that you will now have 3 ohms plus 1 ohm, because this and this is 1. Then plus 4 ohm, which will still give you 8 ohms. So the right answer here is 8 ohms. Thank you.